Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing. Make sure your internet is stable and save any open tabs. Now open Chrome and click the three-dot menu in the upper right. Choose Help, then about Google Chrome. Once done, Chrome automatically checks for updates and starts downloading if a newer build exists. This step forces the browser to compare installed version versus latest release, so you get security fixes and performance improvements without waiting. You'll see Chrome download the update. Larger updates can take a few minutes depending on bandwidth, so be patient. If Chrome asks for admin permission on Windows or Mac, allow it. This writes new files and applies patches. Make sure extensions are up to date too. They can be reloaded after the update. If you want fewer interruptions, turn on automatic updates in System Settings or Chrome Policies, which keeps you current without manual checks. You finish by clicking Relaunch when Chrome finishes downloading. The browser closes and reopens to apply changes, which preserves tabs. After relaunch, return to About Google Chrome to confirm the version number changed and test key websites and extensions. If the update fails, restart your computer first, then try again. If problems persist, temporarily disable antivirus or system policies, or download and reinstall Chrome.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.